Welcome to YoGaEun YouTube channel. Today we are going to practice 10 minutes abs workout for beginners. Targeted for upper abs and lower abs so that you can have good foundation of core muscles. We are going to learn slowly in the first round and repeat this movement a little bit faster than before in the second round. Remember, always draw your belly in towards the spine, flatten belly, and push your lower back down towards the mat. Let's get started. Place your hands by the side. I'm going to lift my arms to demonstrate my lower back, but you can relax your arms. Press your lower back down so there's no space between your lower back and yoga mat. Gently chin to chest. Nice long back of the neck. Feet are hip distance apart. Lift your feet. Step the right heel farther and left heel. Right heel back, left heel back. This is one set. Keep pressing the lower back down. Right heel farther, left heel as well. Right heel back, left heel back. Keep moving this heels touch movement and keeping your lower back nice and tight and press down onto the floor. Right heel, left heel, right heel back, left heel back. Gently draw your chin towards the chest, always having a nice long back of the neck. Relax your shoulders. Last set. Right heel, left heel, right heel back, left heel back. Good. Release. Let's do crunch with grabbing the mat. Bring your arms over the head. Always place your head on the mat. Don't let it separate. And remember, instead of lifting only the neck, try to lift your wing bones. That's the key. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up, 8. Inhale, lower. Exhale, 7. Keep moving. 6. Relax your face. Exhale, 5. Focus on your abs. Exhale, 4. Gentle grip with your hands. 3, 2, 1. Hold and release. Good. Take just one more breath. Let's go. Press your lower back down. Lift the right leg towards the sky. If you have tight hamstring, don't hesitate to bend the right knee. And we are gonna lower the right thigh, same level with the left leg, and exhale back up. Flatten abs, press down. Inhale, lower the right leg, exhale back up. 8, lower, exhale 7, nice and control. Inhale, lower, exhale 6. Keep moving. 5, 4. Relax your shoulders. 3. You're doing great. 2. Last one. And 1. Good. Release. Switch side. Lift the left leg towards the sky. You can bend the knee if you need. Tighten your thigh. Inhale, lower. Exhale, slowly back up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. 6, 5. Press the lower back down. 4. Strong hip and thigh. 3. You can do it. 2. Exhale, engage your abdominal. And 1. Nice, release. We're gonna move to the side. Raise your arms over the head, grabbing the mat, same like what we did before. And this time, twist your upper body to the left. Lift your right shoulder. Prepare. Inhale. And exhale, 8. Inhale down. Exhale, 7. 6. Level your hips. 5. 4. Lift your right shoulder. Inhale, lower. Exhale, focus on your abs. 3. Nice and long back of the neck. 2. Last one. You got it. 1. Nice. Release. Just take 2 more breaths. We are going to go to the other side, to the left. Remember, arms and shoulders are relaxed. Focus on your abs. Let's go. Inhale, lower to the right. 8. Exhale, 7. 6. Do your best. 5. You got it. 4. 3. Lift your upper back, not the head. 2. Last one. 1. And hold. Release. Good. So this time we are going to repeat all the movement what we've just learned. Remember, the most important thing, always engage your abs. Lower back down, lift the feet. Let's walk with the heels. Right heel farther, left heel. Right heel back, left heel back. Right, left, right, left. Good. Keep moving. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face muscles. You're doing great. Don't forget that. Last round. All of your effort is precious. Good. Next, raise your arms, grab the mat. Crunch. Exhale up. Inhale lower. Exhale 7. 6. Focus on your abs. 5. Relax your face. 4. 3. Mouth or nose. Exhale 2. 1. Release. Lift the right leg up. Lower the right leg. Exhale up. 8. Lower. 7. Lower. 6. Draw your belly in. 5. Move only the leg, the other parts are stable. 3. 2. Last one. And 1. Switch sides, right leg down, left leg lift. Lower the left leg and back up. 8. 7, you can do it. 6, 5, relax your shoulders. 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. Release. And bring your arms over the head, grab the mat, inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, lower. Exhale, 7, 6, 5, lift your upper back. 4, focus on your abs. 3, 2, feel the oblique. Last one, 1, release, switch sides. Exhale to the right, 8, 7, lift your upper back. 6, you can do it. 5, hips are squared. 4, 3, relax your face muscles. 2, 1, release. Good job. Hug your knees into the chest and just take a moment here. Relax your whole body, especially your lower back. Now grab your back of the thighs, roll back and forth 5 times. Just stretch your whole spine. Good. We are going to come back to seated position. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes just for a moment. Really nice open shoulders and chest. Feel your strong abs, your core muscles. Your effort is so precious. You did a really good job. Bring your hands to your heart center. Namaste. Thank you guys for sharing your practice with me. I hope you liked. If you enjoyed, please give me thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Be healthy, be happy.